Are you charging your mobile phone to 100%? Then hear this. You should not charge your mobile phone to 100%, and if you want to know the reason behind this, then watch this video till the end. Welcome back to another video. My name is Elvin, and if you're new here and if you're interested in tech and tech related stuff, then start out by subscribing and hitting the bell icon so that you don't miss any of new and updated tech videos. When I know the reason that you should not charge your mobile phone to 100%, even I was surprised that the reason they told me. But when they told the reason and I analyzed in my mind, that was acceptable in another sense. Now, when you're going to be charging your mobile phone, there is a lot of process running on, and I'm just going to be sharing with you what is. Now, the batteries that we use in our mobile phones is called as lithium-ion batteries, or in short, is called as Leon battery. It takes or it needs this time of 2 to 3 hours for charging time to reach 100%. It's not recommendable, by the way. And when you're going to be charging your mobile phones beyond 100%, it will reduce the battery's capacity. Now, if you don't know what the battery's capacity actually means, you can see a number in the case that you bought your mobile phones or whatever electronic devices. They will be giving battery's capacity. It may be 1600 mAh or it may be 3800 mAh. Based on what the money or what expensive that mobile phone is, they are going to be giving the battery's capacity. Once you're going to be charging beyond 100%, it will reduce the numbers that you can see, like 1600 mAh. It will reduce to a great extent that it will not withstand for a day. Now, when you take example of my old mobile phones, you can see that my phone will withstand 3 days. When I got my first mobile phones, you can see that it will withstand for 3 days, 3 continuous days. But after a while, you can see that it will not withstand for a 12 hours. Now, the major problem is that battery's problem, they told me in the shop. Now, the major problem that is causing this problem is because of one reason, that is called as charging your mobile phone to the greater extent. So the reason for this is that we are going to be charging your mobile phones at night when you're going to be sleeping. So you like plug the charger, go to sleep. At the morning you can see it's on 100%. Now when you're going to be repeating this process, like you can see that 6 to 7 hours of straight charging. I told that 3 or 2 hours is the recommendable time, or it's the average time required to charge to 100%. But you're charging double the limit. Now what happened is that you're going to be drastically reducing your battery's capacity. And that's the problem. It causes like battery's life. So when you're going to be charging a mobile phone, charge to a greater extent, like charge to 70 to 80%. That's the recommendable amount of charge required for your mobile phone. It will withstand for 2 days. Try it out. So let me know in the comment section that in what percentage or to which percentage that you will charge to your mobile phone. So I'm curious that how much percentage you will charge your mobile phone at a day. And let me know in the comment section that how long or how many times do you charge your mobile phones in a day. So let me know in the comment section so that I can read and enjoy that comment section. Now what happens is that people say me that what's the ideal amount. I tell them 70 to 80%. They say that it will not withstand. But I try to say them that try it out. You can see, you can experiment. Now, when they experiment this, they found it very useful. So charge to the mobile phone to 70 to 80%. Don't charge your mobile phone to 100%, and don't charge to a greater extent, so that your battery's life and your phone's life will be great. If you find this video so valuable, then leave a like to this video. And if you find some guys who don't know this information, then share this video to that guy so that he can or she can know this information and save his or her battery life. Now, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, that will be my face. Smash on my face and subscribe to our channel, and that will be some 3 videos floating around, and watch those videos. And if you have some questions or video ideas, then leave down in the comment section so that I can make a video out of it.